Hospital Income Benefit Rider or HIB Rider. The Hospital Income Benefit Rider, right, is a rider na again very popular sa AIA and sa mga clients namin because this is popularized in our Active Health Invest Plan, which is also available pa rin ngayon. It's a VUL plan. No, so ito kapag nagkaroon na confine ka, may mare-reimburse ka. Ganun siya. So, if you can see, it's an additional benefit that provides an equal amount to the applicable daily hospital income benefit, which will be paid for each day during which the insured is confined in a hospital due to a covered illness or injury on the recommendation of a physician. So, basta pina-confine ka ng doktor mo, covered na yon. Now, up to a maximum of 365 days with respect to the same confinement. Alright? So, 365 days per confinement. No minimum number of days is required to be able to receive HIB. So, kahit one day ka lang ma-confine, makaka-reimburse ka nito. So, the options of reimbursement, pwede kang pumili from 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 or 5,000 per night. So imagine, let's say meron kang coverage, yung middle, 3,000 per night. Tapos na-hospitalized ng 10 days. So 3,000 times 10, 30,000 yung ma-reimburse mo. So hindi ito health card na alam mo yun, bibigyan mo yung card and then sasagutin yung bill mo. Hindi siya ganun. It's reimbursement. So, bayad ka muna ng bill mo, sagot ng PhilHealth, whatever. May sarili kang health card, okay, game, you use that. Wala kang binayaran, for example. You can still use this rider to reimburse whatever, how many nights ka dun sa hospital. Kaya, nilagay ito kasi for the income, Kasi during those days na nasa hospital ka, most likely hindi ka nakapag-work, lalo na kung malala yung sakit. So, tumigil yung income mo. So, magkano ka ba per day? So, magkano ka ba per day dun sa work mo? If you're being paid 1,000 per day, 25,000, 30,000 a month yung sweldo mo, then probably you can get the 1,000 per night. But if you are a business owner, probably you're earning 100,000 a month or more, probably you can get the 4,000 or 5,000 per night para in case something happens, may kapalit na income, pang gastos ng family mo during the time na nawala ka, 'di ba? Nagpahinga ka, nagpapagaling ka sa hospital. Yun yung benefit niya. So again, kahit hindi critical illness ito, kahit dengue lang, So dengue, critical siya pero wala sa mga list ng critical illnesses. Maraming gumagaling doon. So let's say na dengue, 5 days, 6 days sa hospital, may 5,000 na night ka, that's 30,000. At least, 'di ba, may kinita ka pa rin. Ganun siya, may kinita ka pa rin during that time. So it replaces the income lost dahil wala ka during that time sa business mo, sa work mo, etc. Alright?